Istanbul is the only city in the world that's situated across Asia and Africa. Bosporus Strait divides it into two parts. Every day, millions of people travel from one continent to the other. They have two ways to do it: either via a bridge or take a ferry, which causes serious traffic jam. Turkey's solution is to build an underwater rail tunnel between two continents, which is known as immersed tunnel. Tunnel sections are called elements, and there are 11 of them. Each of them are as big as a 40-story building, which are built on land, hauled out in the sea, sink, and finally attached into the sea floor. The huge iron wall right there keeps water from coming in. It must be 100% watertight, or else water will come in violently. On water surface, 1 atmosphere pressure pushes on the element. As it sinks, it will be squeezed by 1 additional atmosphere every 33 feet. The deepest tunnel section will be subjected to 6 atmosphere pressure. Tremendous force will be squeezing in from every direction. If there is any defect, the tunnel may implode and crush trains filled with passengers. Istanbul situates on one of the most active earthquake zones on the planet. It's been over 100 years since the city took direct hit from earthquake. Scientists say it is long overdue. Severe earthquake will make the seabed liquefy, leading to the collapse of the tunnel. Engineers designed the tunnel in a flexible way, which let it bend but not break. The special joint will let the tunnel move freely. Also, in order to enhance the stability, they also add concrete under the tunnel to bury it into a ditch. There is no crane in the world that can lift the elements. Their solution is to fill the cove with water and let the elements flow out to the sea. In 36 hours' time, this entire cove will be filled up with 8,000 m³ of water. These tunnel sections will be floating up and out the valve. The work has to be stopped because the workers discovered one of the most important archaeological sites in history, which is the ancient harbour. It contains thousands of valuable antiques. All machines must stop working until the site is completely recovered. This is a complete ship, which is one of the most preserved ships in here. It is a merchant ship from the late 9th century. Over 45 feet long, it's a round design that allows carrying heavy things like stone, grain, and wine. The place where the ship stayed is humid, so this boat is not corroded. But once it is exposed to the heat and sun, they will wilt quickly. As a result, the archaeologists need to disassemble everything to preserve the whole piece. Ballast tank is most important in controlling procedure. There are 10 of them, 5 in each side. Water comes in through the pipe to fill the 10 ballast tank. Water goes into the 10 ballast tanks. The element can be manipulated up or down precisely. The whole process is just about controlling water. Putting this concrete tube longer than a football field into a strong surface current will be a great challenge. But the job even gets more complicated 60 feet below. There are another powerful current in an opposite direction. These two opposing currents can make the elements out of control. The engineers decided not to fight with the water, but work with it. First, the element is turned into the stronger surface currents like a ship bound into the wind. Then, once it decreased into the slower bottom layer, it will turn into a precise alignment. This is the end of our video. Thank you.